friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I just have a couple things that I want to get done. The kids are home for spring break, so my daughter's home and she has a friend over. So today I just want to tidy up the kitchen, clean the kitchen counters, the stove, and do the dishes, put them away, and load the dishwasher. And one of the counters, my daughter does a lot of arts and crafts, and she's got the glue stick, the hot glue sticks from the glue gun is stuck to the counter. So I got to scrape that off. And I got a lot of laundry that I want to get done today. So here I am right now making a list of what I want to get done, because sometimes you just need an extra visual aid to help you get your tasks done. So first, let's get these dishes done and out of the way. So did you guys have a good Easter? We did. My daughter loved her gifts in her Easter basket, which was awesome because she's 11 and you never know. We had some family come over. It was just a really nice day to spend with family and to thank Jesus.
Yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me.
Right here, I was telling my daughter that I cleaned her new lavender cup, and she was asking me for some milk, so that's what I'm doing right here.
But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind.
What did you guys make for Easter dinner? We made a ham, green beans, and macaroni salad, and it came out really good.
Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this moment to end. Reflect me. I just don't want this moment to end. There is only one of you, only one of me.
So here is crumbs from the toaster that I'm just gonna wipe up.
Not gonna see me bleed, 'cause baby I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live, 'cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn, 'cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about their feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. 'Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
So this cutting board is a cutting board that I got from Amazon, and it is so springy. I love it every year.
I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on, I'm being honest.
So here I'm just wiping up on like the peelings from onions. They get everywhere.
'Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
here is where my daughter got the hot glue from the hot glue gun stuck to the counter. So now I'm just going to scrape that up and clean the counter there. There's some like green marker splotches that I'm going to wipe up too. Let's clean up this dining room table. It looks crazy over here. That's just my dad in the background there. Okay, now we're headed to the bedroom. I'm going to make our bed and fold some laundry and put it away. I got this ottoman from Amazon, and it is a lifesaver because we don't have a linen closet in our bathroom, so we store our sheets and our towels in here. Okay, marking off our list. Got things done today. I just want to say thank you to everybody that joined me today on this quick clean with me, and I'll see you next time.